Hi, this is Debbie. I'm back again. Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season and hope everyone has a wonderful and prosperous new year. So I'm back with my first video of the new year. Today I'm going to be talking about oils that I use for cooking and seasoning my foods. And I use oils sparingly, so I keep them all in the fridge because I don't want them to go rancid. So let's get started. And first, this is an old school one. This is shortening, which I only use for baking. I don't use this to saute any foods. I don't use this to saute any foods or vegetables or meat or anything. This is strictly for baking. It's like a butter substitute. So, and this works great. Makes everything from cookies, cakes, pie crust, muffins, whatever. So this is just for baking. And here's the nutritionals on that. Yeah, this type of product used to have trans fat, but they no longer have trans fat. So that's much healthier, but it's not as shelf stable. So you need to keep it in the fridge. And my next one is another old school item. This is cooking oil, which I use sparingly also. And this goes in the fridge because it takes me a while to use this. I use this a little bit for sauteing vegetables and maybe a little bit for meat. And here's the nutritionals. I notice oils have gotten more expensive. I'm not sure why, but all oils, even shortening and vegetable cooking oils, they all get more expensive. So I try to get it on sale or just buy store brand. Oh, and I forgot my sprays. Yes, I also use this kind of oil. It helps you portion control your oil usage. So I use spray. And I like the coconut oil, and sometimes I use the butter flavor. And this is nutritionals on this. So, if you're really trying to lose weight, sprays help a lot. Sprays help an awful lot. And then, of course, oils, dressings, and they have oils. This is a good flavor. I got this on sale. And it's a really good flavor. Also, I use these flavored type oil products for marinating meats and vegetables. They turn out great. And here's nutritionals on this. And I love the flavored infused oil, rosemary and pink peppercorn dipping oil. I use this for cooking. I don't use this for dipping. So that's really good. And it has the peppercorns. But I keep all of these in this container I got from the Dollar Tree. So I keep that in my fridge. Keeps everything from, because my sides are already packed with other kinds of foods. So this is just great for just keeping things together, keep them from falling down. And this is avocado dressing oil, bacon balsamic. And these are also good for putting on salads or cooked vegetables already cooked, but great for salads. So that on sale, of course. All these I got on sale. Excuse me. And this is honey citrus marinade. Yum. Delicious. Yeah, because you have to get creative when you're trying to lose weight. You got to get really creative with the flavors. Okay. And this is another good one. Oh, I love raspberry vinaigrette. It's delicious on salads. Great. Here's the information. And got these from Big Lots. These are really good. Yeah, Evo dressing, extra virgin olive oil, seasoned vinaigrette, and it makes all these make salads taste so flavorful. Because a lot of people don't like salads, but I love salads. I love the fresh fruits and vegetables in the salad, and especially with good flavor. Oh, and this is good. This is great for marinating. The lemon herb. Here's the information, nutritionals. So good. And my last one, another apple cider vinegar. I had some Bragg's brand I got on sale, but that's gone. But this is really good. This is the Walmart brand. So that's all the oils I have, and I use those sparingly to flavor foods, to marinate foods, to give more flavor to lower calorie foods. And you don't have to eliminate oil, just be careful with it. Just be careful, and then especially use the sprays. The sprays help a lot. And so thank you so much for watching. I'm still on my fitness and weight loss journey. I'm losing inches. I'm slimming down, but the weight isn't going down. But I am slimming down. My clothes are getting looser. And so, and plus I'm taking swimming lessons again. I couldn't take them in December because they were booked up. So I'm back on that again at the new year, and for the month of January, and that'll be it for a while. So my backstroke is doing great. And I'm just doing better treading water. So back, just, training as much as I can, doing different types of training and mix it up. I did some step workout because everything was booked up. The gym was so crowded, of course, in January. And so I just did a good step workout, and that helped a lot. I can really feel it in my quads and my hamstrings, and it's just great. So thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone has a wonderful new year. And I hope, all your dreams and aspirations can come true. And thank you so much for watching. And you have a good weekend. Thank you.